The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about a new phone that's coming to Cricket Wireless. So the phone that is coming to Cricket Wireless is the Nokia TA1124. So I'm on NokiaPowerUser.com here, and before I get further into the video, I'd like to give two shout outs to Method Tech Review and Mill Hustle. So shout out to them. They did videos about this on their channel, so check them out and subscribe to them if you have not done so. So apparently this Nokia phone is on the Cricket Wireless. It has a Snapdragon 439 and it reveals FCC certification, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, Cricket's getting another Nokia phone. It's been a while since they had one. The last Nokia phone that Cricket had was the Nokia Lumia 630, I believe it was, from several years back. That was a Windows phone. So now they'll be getting this one, and this one will be running Android, of course. And I'm guessing this is what the phone looks like. I'm guessing. In terms of the design, it looks very nice. I like the design of the phone. I'm not a fan of the color. I'm not a fan of it was black or whatever. I'll be all on it, but I'm not a fan of this. It's not. That's just me. So this one had dual cameras on back, a camera flash, a fingerprint sensor, your Nokia logo. Of course, this will have Android 1, so that's pretty nice. It has power button and volume button on the right side of the phone. So that's what the phone looks like there on back, and I don't think the battery is removable, so do keep that in mind. Alright, this says here, we last reported about sightings of a new Nokia smartphone TA1124 via its Bluetooth certification. Now the smartphone has passed certification at FCC in the US and has revealed many major spec details, including its processor, camera, RAM, and others. So this is a spec sheet for this Nokia phone, and it says the Nokia TA1124 will be powered by a Snapdragon 439 processor and roll-pack rear, 13 megapixel autofocus, 5 megapixel fixed focus, dual cameras on back, 8 megapixel front-facing camera, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of internal storage. So that is a win. This Nokia TA1124 comes with a 5.99 inch display. Holy shit, that's pretty damn cool. It will have an FFC, not sure what that is exactly. Specs wise, it is quite similar to the Nokia 3.1 Plus, with exception of the processor. So if you guys are familiar with the Nokia 3.1 Plus, this phone might be familiar to you in terms of specs and whatnot. So here we go. So this is specs here. Battery, I don't know don't know. There's the specs there and stuff like that. It says now, one very interesting detail has also emerged from the FCC certification. The TA1124 is marked as Cricket SKU on its label. This may mean that HMD is planning to launch a smartphone that may be a Cricket Wireless exclusive variant of the Nokia 3.1 Plus. So this is what the battery looks like there, and if you guys take the back off, I don't think the battery is removable. I think the battery is sealed inside the phone, so yeah, you guys will see that it has Cricket branding inside the battery, so that's pretty interesting. And says that if this happens, Nokia 3.1 Plus variant with Snapdragon 439 may be the second Nokia smartphone after Nokia 2.1V for Verizon. That is rumored to be launched at Verizon as a Verizon exclusive. So yeah, Nokia is really sticking their head in the prepaid game here in the United States of America. If you guys didn't know or probably didn't heard, Verizon prepaid says we're getting the Nokia 2B. So we're getting that. Don't know when we're supposed to be getting that. I don't know. And now Cricket Wireless will be getting a variant of the Nokia 3.1 Plus, I guess. The specs on this phone are pretty. They're. You know, this is a budget phone, guys. So you keep in mind. I do like the design of the phone on the back. I think it looks very nice. Not a fan of the color. If it was black or white, I would be all over that, but it's blue and I'm not a fan of that. And this one's only Cricket Wireless, and I say the price wise, I'm gonna say 150 to 180. Let's say 150 to 180 for this phone. You might get discounts when this phone is released. You might get discounts, but we'll see. So you keep that in mind. Like I said, this is a budget phone. This could be the Nokia 3.1 Plus. We don't know the exact name of this phone yet, but it does have Cricket branding on the inside of the battery, so that's pretty interesting. And there is no Cricket branding on the back here, so yeah. Are you guys Android One branding? You got Nokia branding, and that is about it. And you okay. So this one has a model number. It has TA1118. So that is interesting. This is probably the Nokia. This is probably the Nokia 3.1 Plus, I guess. Maybe I don't know what phone this is exactly, but the Nokia, this Cricket phone, this Nokia phone for Cricket could be something like this, I guess. So this might be the Nokia 3.1 Plus. I don't know. So we will have to wait and see about that. So what do you guys think about this Nokia 11? What do you guys think about this Nokia phone going to Cricket? Where you guys get one and stuff like that? I don't know when they'll be coming out. It just got the FCC certification, so no word on price or release date just yet. We do know some of the specs on this phone. It has a 5.9-inch display. It has Snapdragon 439. It has 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage. It has dual cameras on back, 13 megapixel autofocus, 5 megapixel fixed focus, 8 megapixel front-facing camera. Android OS, I'ma say Oreo, probably, maybe Oreo. I doubt it has Pie at the start, but we'll have to wait and see about that. So yeah, this is what the phone could look like. I think this is a Nokia 3.1 Plus that you guys are looking at here. So yeah, this is pretty cool, and yeah, this would be this would be a good phone for Cricket customers to try out if you guys are on a budget. This would be the first Nokia phone that Cricket has had in several years. The last one they had was the Nokia 630, and it was a Windows phone. This one runs Android. This one runs Android, of course. It has Android One edition on there as well. So it might have Pie out of the box. We will have to wait and see. So yeah. And yeah, so we just have to wait and see. So what do you guys think about this phone coming to Cricket Wireless? Do you guys think that it's a variant of the Nokia 3.1 Plus? Because I'm hearing people saying that it is. So do you guys think it's that, or do you guys think it's totally something else? This Nokia phone for Cricket could look like this. It could look something like this. We don't know yet. This is basically the Nokia TA1124 for Cricket has went through FCC certification. So we will have to wait and see when this phone gets released and price and stuff like that. I say between 150 and 180. and this one will be released sometime in 2019, obviously. So yeah, man. So shout out to Nokia and Cricket, and yeah, we'll see when this one be launched. So yeah, that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.